Maharashtra. I am going to tell about states and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Idanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Sakshara. I am studying in UKG. I am going to tell about some national symbols. National fruit is mango. National flower is lotus. National bird is peacock. National animal is tiger. National tree is banyan tree. National currency is Indian rupee. National game is hockey. National flag is Tiranga. National anthem is Jana Gana Mana. National song is Vande Mataram. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Siddhika. I am studying in UKG. I am going to tell some action words. Drinking, eating, clapping, jumping, sitting, standing, dancing, reading, writing, listening, thinking, laughing, ha ha ha, crying. Thank you. My name is Sarika. I am studying in LKG L2. My school name is Montessori English Medium High School. Today we are going to introduce some good manners. Sorry. Thank you. Please. Welcome. Excuse me. Thank you. Hi everyone. My name is Sashavardhan. One day a mouse ran over a sleeping lion. The lion woke up and caught the mouse. The mouse begged the lion, "Please love me. I will help you one day." The lion laughed. "Ahaha, and freed the mouse." A few days later, a hunter caught the lion in a net. The mouse heard the lion roar and ran to help him. It bit the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. Moral: do good, have good. Thank you. Hi everyone. My name is Tirayans. My father name is Tirupati. My mother name is Pratusha. My father is a son. My headmistress' name is Mrs. Geeta Shaju Miss. My class teacher name is Mrs. Pavani Miss. Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is L. Avantika. Do you know how to remember 13 table with simple read? Now let's learn this 13 table. First you write one table. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, 1 tens are 10. Now you write 3 tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Now you write these two numbers. 1 3 13, 2 6 26, 3 9 39. Now you add 10 digit number. 4 plus 1 5, 2 52, 5 plus 1 6 65, 6 plus 1 7, 8 78, 7 plus 2 9, 1 91, 8 plus 2 10, 4 1 not 4, 9 plus 2 11, 7 1 17, 10 plus 3 13, 0 1 30. Thank you. నేను 1వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను వర్ణమాల గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. వర్ణమాల అనగా ఆ నుంచి రౌతి వరకు గల అక్షరాలను వర్ణమాల అంటారు. వర్ణమాలను అచ్చులు హల్లులుగా విభజించారు. అచ్చులు ఆ నుంచి ఆ వరకు గల అక్షరాలను అచ్చులు అంటారు. హల్లులు కా నుండి రౌతి వరకు గల అక్షరాలను హల్లులు అంటారు. ఉభయ అక్షరాలు సున్న అలసున్న విసర్గ. ధన్యవాదములు.
Hello everyone, I am K. Aditya of class 2nd. Watch what I am doing. First, I will pour a little vinegar into the bottle. Using the funnel, fill the balloon with the baking soda. Stretch the balloon over the bottle. Next, dump in the baking soda. Oh, the balloon blows automatically. Have a nice day.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు ఎం వర్షిణి. నేను 5వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను జంతువులు వాటి ఉపయోగాలు చెప్తాను. ఆవు, కుక్క, ఎద్దు, మేక, గొర్రె, పిల్లి, ఒంటె, పానపం ఇవన్నీ మనకు ఉపయోగపడతాయి. మొదటిది ఆవు. ఆవు పాలను ఇస్తుంది. పాలు మనకు బలాన్ని, శక్తిని ఇస్తాయి. రెండవది కుక్క. కుక్క విశ్వాసం గల జంతువు. మన ఇంటికి కాపలా కాస్తుంది. మూడవది ఎద్దు. కష్టజీవి. పొలం పనులలో రైతుకి సహాయం చేస్తుంది. నాలుగవది మేక. మేక పాలను ఇస్తుంది. మేక మాంసాన్ని ఆహారంగా ఉపయోగిస్తాము. మేక వ్యర్థాలను ఎరువుగా ఉపయోగిస్తారు. ఐదవది గొర్రె. గొర్రె మాంసాన్ని కూడా ఆహారంగా ఉపయోగిస్తాము. గొర్రె ఉన్నిని ఇస్తుంది. ఉన్నితో చేసిన కంబళ్ళు, స్వెటర్లు చలి నుండి మనలను కాపాడతాయి. ఆరవది పిల్లి. పిల్లి ఇంట్లో ధాన్యాన్ని ఎలుకల బారి నుండి రక్షిస్తుంది. ఏడవది 10వ ఉంటే దీనిని ఎడారి కూడా అంటారు. ఎడారిలో ప్రయాణానికి అనుకూలంగా ఉంటుంది. 8వ వానపాము. దీనిని రైతు మిత్రుడు అంటారు. నేలని గుల్ల చేసి సారవంతంగా చేయడానికి ఇది తోడ్పడుతుంది. ధన్యవాదములు. Hi everyone, my name is Sadia Fatima. I am studying in UKG. I am going to tell some good habits. Brush your teeth daily. Take a bath daily. Wear clean clothes. Comb your hair neatly. Trim your nails shortly. Eat fresh and healthy food. Drink plenty of water. Wash our hands before and after meals. Thank you.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Okay, now I am going to ask some questions. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. What is the national flower?
Lotus.
Very good. What is the national fruit?
Mango.
Very good. What is the national bird?
Peacock.
Very good. What is the national animal?
Tiger.
Very good. What is the national tree?
Banyan tree.
Very good. What is the national flag?
Tiranga.
Very good. What is the national song?
Vande Mataram.
Very good. What is the national anthem?
Jana Gana Mana.
Very, very good.
Hello everyone, I am S. Srivika Mama from 5th A3. Hello everyone, I am Sia Chandra Chandra from 5th A3. Nowadays there is no one there who does not know about the computer. So now here we are going to present before you a short introduction about the computer. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device which takes the instructions from the keyboard or mouse and it displays the output. And also it helps us to work fast and make our work easy. Features of computer: memory, speed, accuracy. Types of computers: desktop, laptop, tablet and smartphones. Nowadays computers are used at many places such as hotels, schools, hospitals, malls, banks, offices, etc. Computer. The main parts of the computer are CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse. CPU, Central Processing Unit. It works like the brain of a computer. Monitor, like a television, we watch cartoons and videos and etc. Let's see what is all about our keyboard. Keyboard have 104 keys. The keyboard is invented by Christopher Lantham Scholl. It is also known as QWERTY pad. F1 to F12 are functional keys. Control keys: Tab, Caps Lock, Shift, Control, Windows, Alt. Alphabet keys: 1 to 0 are numerical keys. Q to P are top row keys. A to L are middle row keys or home keys. Z to M are bottom keys. Navigation keys: these are arrow keys. Print screen, scroll lock, print, pass break, insert, home, page up, delete and page down. Indication keys: 0 to 9 numerical keys. A to Z alphabetical line. Scrolling, scroll. Punctuation keys: comma, full stop, by, question mark, colon, semicolon, inverted commas, brackets. Other important keys: space bar key, which gives space in between words. Enter key, used to start new line or jump to the next starting paragraph. Backspace or delete key, which deletes number or alphabets. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek. I am studying in 2nd class. Hi everyone, my name is Chandra. I am studying in 2nd class. Now we are going to learn experiment that is jumping knuckling balls. Materials required: a glass jar, water,
naphthalene balls, baking soda, vinegar. Fill the empty glass jar water. Add 2 or 3 spoons of baking soda. Now add 5 or 7 spoons of vinegar. Add 2 to 3 naphthalene balls. What do you observe? For your surprise, you can see the naphthalene balls move up and down for a while. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, Montessori greetings. I am Anam Fatima of 3rd class. My project is about solar system. Do you know about solar system? Let me show you.
This is our solar system. Solar system has 8 major planets. Planets revolve around the sun. Sun is main source of light for all the planets. Now, first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the nearest and smallest planet in the solar system. Second planet is Venus. It is the brightest and hottest planet in the solar system. Next, Earth. Earth is the third and blue planet in the solar system. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet in the solar system. It is also called as red planet. Fifth planet is Jupiter. It is the biggest planet in the solar system. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It is the oldest planet. Last planet is Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun. Thank you everyone.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is B. Smalan Teja. I am from 6th A1. Today I am going to explain about types of angles. An angle above 0 degrees and below 90 degrees is known as acute angle. An angle exactly 90 degrees is known as right angle. An angle above 90 degrees and below 180 degrees is known as obtuse angle. An angle exactly 180 degrees is known as straight angle. An angle above 180 degrees and below 360 degrees is known as reflex angle. An angle exactly 360 degrees is known as complete angle. Thank you.
Hello everyone. We are the students of class 4. We are going to sing a song on verbs. Verbs are action words. I don't walk alone. I don't walk alone. I don't walk alone. I have my friends. I don't sit alone. I don't sit alone. I don't sit alone. I have my friends. All my friends can walk.
Surya from 3rd class. I will show you about internal organs. Internal organs. Internal organs are the organs which cannot be seen by us. We cannot touch them. Example, brain, heart, liver, stomach, kidneys, etc. Now brain is the one of the largest and most complex organs in our body. The brain is the control center for the body. Heart. The heart is very important organ in the body. The heart is in the size of our fist. Heart is located in between the lungs. We have two lungs. The right lung is bigger than the left. Liver. Liver is the largest internal organ in the human body. It is located in the upper abdomen. Stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped organ and it is a part of digestive system. Kidneys. Kidneys are two bean-shaped organs. They are located just below the ribcage. Small intestine. The longest part of the alimentary canal is the small intestine. It is a part of digestive system. Large intestine is shorter than the small intestine. Thank you, everyone.
Hi everyone, my name is Aradhya. I am studying in UKG. I am going to take reverse two table. 2 10s are 20, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. అందరికీ నమస్కారాలు. నా పేరు ఏ వర్షిని. నేను 4వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. భాషా భాగాల గురించి తెలియజేయడానికి మీ ముందుకు వచ్చాము. భాషా భాగాలు 5. అవి 1వది నామవాచకము, 2వది సర్వనామము, 3వది క్రియ, 4వది విశేషణము, 5వది అవ్యయములు. నామవాచకం అనగా పేర్లను తెలియజేయునది నామవాచకం అంటాము. ఉదాహరణ: తెలుపు, ఎరుపు, కమల, సాయి, సిద్దిపేట, హైదరాబాద్. సర్వనామం అనగా పేర్లకు బదులుగా వాడే పదాలను సర్వనామం అని అంటాము. అతడు, ఆమె, అవి, ఇవి, వారు, వీరు. క్రియ అనగా మనం ప్రతి పనిని క్రియ అంటాము. ఉదాహరణ: తినటం, ఆడటం, మాట్లాడటం, వినడం, రాయటం, చదవటం. విశేషణం అనగా వస్తువులు లేదా మనుషుల యొక్క గుణాన్ని తెలిపేదే విశేషణం అంటాము. ఉదాహరణ: వేగంగా, బలంగా, పొట్టిగా, నల్లగా, పుల్లగా, చేదుగా. అవ్యయములు అనగా లింగవచన విభక్తులు లేని పదాలను అవ్యయములు అని అంటాము. ఉదాహరణ: ఓహో, అబ్బా, అయ్యో. అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు.
I'm Sanoma from class 6. Today I'm going to explain about 3D shapes. First, triangular pyramid. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Square pyramid. Square pyramid has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. Cuboid. It has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges, vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 vertices. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Suhita. My school name is Montessori English Medium High School. I'm studying LKG. I am going to say months and days. These are 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thank you.
Hi Pratiksa. Hi Ritika. What you are doing? I am trying to learn multiplication, but I am not getting. Okay, shall I explain you shortcut method? Oh, why not? Tell me now. Tell me the question. 7 into 31. 7 into 31. See here, the expanded form of 31 is 30 plus 1. 30 plus 1. Then 7 30s are 210. 7 ones are 7. 210 plus 7, 270. Now what is the product? 270. Good. Okay, then can you solve this in the same method? Tell me. Okay. 8 into 44. 8 into 44. 8 40s are 320. 8 4s are 32. 320 plus 32, 352. Now what is the product? 352. Good. These are okay, but what about 2-digit numbers? I will make sure to learn in easy method. 52 into 36. Solve this. 52 into 36. 6 2s are 12. Right here. 3 5s are 15. Right here. Now cross multiplication. 3 2s are 6. 5 6 are 30. 6 plus 30, 36. Now right here in middle. Now add this. 2, 1 plus 6, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 1. Now what is the product? 1872. Good. What about this? 45 into 72. 45 into 72. 2 5s are 10. Right here. 7 4s are 28. Right here. Now cross multiplication. 7 5s are 35. 4 2s are 8. 35 plus 8, 43. Right here in middle. 0, 1 plus 3, 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 plus 1, 3. Now what is the product? 3240. Good. I thought maths is the most toughest subject to learn, but today you made me realize it is very interesting subject. Yes, maths subject is very interesting subject. Thank you.
అందరికీ నా పేరు టి అక్షిత. నేను 3వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను ఇప్పుడు అంకెల పాట పాడబోతున్నాను. 1 1 1 మనమంతా ఒక్కటి, 2 2 2 మన చూసే కళ్ళు 2, 3 3 3 మనకు కాలాలు 3, 4 4 4 మనకు వేదాలు 4, 5 5 5 మన చేతి వెళ్ళు 5,
ఆరు 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 మనకు ఋతువులు ఆరు. ఏడు 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 ఇంద్రధనస్సులో రంగులు ఏడు. ఎనిమిది 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 మనకు పాది ఎనిమిది. తొమ్మిది 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 రత్నములు తొమ్మిది. పది 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 సహాయకాలు 10 మందికి. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Hi everyone, my name is Selvi Vijayananda. I am studying in 2nd class. Today I am going to tell about solar system. This is the solar system. The solar system have 8 planets that are Mercury, Venus, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn have beautiful rings. Mercury is the nearest to the sun, and Neptune is the farthest from the sun. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Emsian. I am studying 2nd class. Today I am going to tell about rabbit and turtle story. Rabbit and turtle will become the best friends. One day, decided to have a race. Race began. Rabbit turned fast and reached a tree. Rabbit turned back. Turtles were far behind. Rabbit thought taking rest for some time and fast asleep. Turtles kept on walking slowly and reached the target. Rabbit wake up and turtles reached the target. The moral of the story is slow and steady wins the race. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sumit. He is my friend Rishik Prajwal. We will tell 19 double in reverse order. 19 10 19, 19 9 31, 19 9 52, 19 7 1 19 6 14, 19 5 91, 19 4 76, 19 3 57, 19 2 38, 19 1 19. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is R. Manasvi. I am from class 3rd. Now I will tell you about simple present big verbs. Is used for singular words. For example, he is, she is, it is. Am is used with the subject I am. Are is used for plural words. For example, we are, they are, you are. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am K. Sanusri of class 3rd A3. Now I will explain you about division mission. This is my division mission. This is dividend column and this is quotient column. Quotient box and remainder box. Hence we have two notes. Note 1, dividend equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Note 2, the number 1 divides any number to give that same number. For example, 5 divided by 1 equals to 5. Now our quotient is 7 divided by. Now dividend is 7. So we put 7 sticks in dividend column. So divisor is 3. So we take 3 sticks and put in each cup. So here we use 2 cups. Third cup has only 1 stick. So quotient is 2. And remainder is 1. Now let's see one more question is 12 divided by 6. Dividend is 12. So we take 12 sticks and put in dividend column. So divisor is 6. So we take 6 sticks and put in each cup.
as well as we can do division problems easily. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is V. Vaishananta. I am from 6th level. Now I tell about geoboard. Geoboard is make 2D shapes in mathematics. Square. It has 4 sides. Rectangle. It has 4 sides. Pentagon. It has 5 sides. Hexagon. It has 6 sides. Triangle. It has 3 sides. Thank you.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు ఆశాన్వి. నేను 4వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర చిహ్నాల గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర గీతం జయ జయ హే తెలంగాణ. మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర గీతాన్ని రచించినది అందశ్రీ గారు. మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర పుష్పం తంగేడు. మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర వృక్షం జమ్ము చెట్టు. మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ఫలం సీతాఫలం. మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర పక్షి పాలపిట్ట. మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర జంతువు మచ్చల జింక. మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర క్రీడ కబడ్డీ. మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర జలచరం కొర్రమీను. మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర నది గోదావరి. మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర పండుగలు బతుకమ్మ మరియు బోనాలు. మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర చిహ్నాలు చార్మినార్ మరియు కాకతీయ కళాతోరణం. ధన్యవాదములు.
I am M. Manjushri Taftar. Thus now I am going to tell about the first 10 Prime Ministers of our country. First, Jawaharlal Nehru, period 1947 to 1964. Second, Gulzariya Nanda, 1964. Third, Lal Bahadur Shastri, period 1964 to 1966. Fourth, Gulzariya Nanda, period 1966. Fifth, Indira Gandhi, 1966 to 1977. Sixth, Maharaji Desai, 1977 to 1979. 7th, Charan Singh, 1979 to 1980. 8th, Indira Gandhi, 1980 to 1984. 9th, Rajiv Gandhi, 1984 to 1989. 10th, BP Singh, 1989 to 1990. Thank you, everyone.
Echo, echo. Please help me out. Here's our dad. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for egg. I for igloo. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for bird. N for net. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for quill. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for red. W for watermelon. S for elephant. Y for yak. Z for zebra.
హాయ్ ఎవరీవన్, నా పేరు కేశవ్. నేను 2వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ఈరోజు నేను తెలుగు నెలల గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. తెలుగు నెలలు 12. అవి చైత్రం, వైశాఖం, జ్యేష్టం, ఆషాఢం, శ్రావణం, భాద్రపదం, ఆశ్వయుజం, కార్తీకం, మార్గశిరం, పుష్యం, మాఘం, పాల్గొనం. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Hi everyone, my name is Alizia. I am studying UKG. The school name is Montessori English Medium School. The school located at Islamabad. Today I am
going to say vowels and consonants. Vowels. 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you.
My name is Tabassum Parvin and I am from 5th standard.
Hi everyone, my name is Sanju. I'm studying in 5th Mass. Today we are going to tell about making inquiries over the telephone.
Good morning. Is this the gift section?
Good morning. Yes, how can I help you?
I'm interested in the gift for 10 years old boy. What can you suggest?
Ma'am, if you could tell me what is your budget, I can advise you accordingly.
Perhaps something costs around 500 rupees.
There are some excellent indoor games I can suggest you.
I shall come over to the store while to check them out. Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone, I'm G. Vidisha from 5th standard. Today I'm going to say about a magical number. This is the magical number which I'm saying. The magical number was 10890. It is possible with any 4-digit number without zero and without any repeated numbers. Tabassum, can you say any 4-digit number?
Yeah, of course. 1654.
1654. Tabassum, can you say this number in descending order?
6541.
Tabassum, say this number in ascending order.
1456.
1456. Now we have to do subtraction. 1 minus 6 is not possible, so we are taking power from the 4. 11 minus 6 equals to 5. And 3 minus 5 is not possible, so we are taking power from 5. It's become 13. 13 minus 5 equals to 8. And 4 minus 4 equals to 0. And 6 minus 1 equals to 5. Tabassum, can you say this number in reverse?
5805.
5805. Now we have to do addition. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. 1 carry. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. And 8 plus 0 equals to 8. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Now we get the magical number.
Wow, can I tell another 4-digit numbers?
Yes, of course.
7654.
54. Can you say this number in descending order?
7654.
54. Say this number in ascending order.
7667.
67. 4 minus 7 is not possible. So we are taking the borrow from 5. It's become 4 and it's become 14. 7 minus 14 equals to 7. And 4 minus 6 is not possible. So we are taking borrow from 6. 14. 14 minus 6 equals to 8. And 5 minus 5 equals to 0. And 7 minus 4 equals to 3. Tabassum, can you say this number in reverse?
7803.
7803. Now we have to add this number. 7 plus 3 equals to 10. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. And 8 plus 0 equals to 8. 7 plus 3 equals to 10.
See, Tabassum, you said another 4-digit number. I
Wow.
proved it. This is a magical number. Wow, it is a magical number. You did a great job, Vidisha. This is a magical number. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to say magical words. If someone thanks you, what will you say? What will you say? I will say welcome. I will say welcome. That's what I say. That's what I say.
If you get someone, what will you say? What will you say? I will say thank you. I will say thank you. That's what I say. That's what I say.
If you are sneezing, what will you say? What will you say? I will say, excuse me. I will say, excuse me. That's what I say. That's what I say. If you want something, what will you say? What will you say? I will say, please. I will say, please. That's what I say. That's what I say. If you hurt someone, what will you say? What will you say? I will say sorry. I will say sorry. That's what I say. That's what I say. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Sridisha. I am studying UKG. My school name is Montessori English Medium School. My school located is Husnabad. I am going to tell parts of a plant. This is fruit. This is stem. This is leaf. This is flower. This is fruit. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is T. Sahasra. Now I will do abacus my sums.
Add 5, add 2, plus 2, add 3.
Answer is 8.
Add 9, plus 4, plus 5, add 7, plus 2.
Answer is 5.
Add 5, add 2, plus 2, add 1, plus 6.
Answer is 0.
Add 7, add 2, plus 9, add 4, add 5.
Answer is 9.
Add 7, add 1, plus 9, add 5, add 2.
Answer is 7.
Add 6, add 2, add 1, plus 4.
Answer is 5.
Add 2, add 5, plus 4, add 2.
Answer is 7.
Add 9, plus 7, plus 2, add 5, plus 5.
Answer is 0.
Add 2, add 5, plus 9.
Answer is 0.
Add 5, add 3, plus 3, add 2, add 1, add 1.
Answer is 9. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is C.H. Advait. I am from 6th A1. Today I am going to tell about 3D shapes. This is cuboid. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. And this is cube. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. And it is triangular pyramid. It has 4 faces and 6 edges and 4 vertices. And this is triangular prism. It has 5 faces. 3 are rectangular faces and 2 are triangular faces. It has 9 edges and 6 vertices. Thank you.